Looking to earn $1,500 every week from the stock market? Whether you're aiming for passive income or fast growth, the right stocks can help you get there. From dividend-paying giants to high-growth tech leaders, building a smart, balanced portfolio is key. In this guide, we'll break down the top-performing stocks across different sectors that can generate steady income or impressive returns. Let's explore how to turn your investments into a reliable $1,500 weekly income stream with less effort. In this video, we will talk about best stocks to make $1,500 per week, so make sure to watch the full video. 1. Top 5 dividend stocks to make $1,500 weekly. If you're looking for passive income without selling your investments, dividend stocks are a strong option. These companies consistently return profits to shareholders in the form of regular cash payments. In this guide, we'll explore 5 of the most reliable, high-yield dividend stocks that have strong financials, proven track records, and steady performance. Whether you're nearing retirement or building long-term wealth, these stocks could help you create a dependable weekly income stream of $1,500 through smart portfolio allocation. 2. High-growth stocks to earn $1,500 weekly. High-growth stocks don't usually pay dividends, but they can provide exceptional capital appreciation that translates into big weekly profits when timed right. In this section, we'll highlight some of the top-performing growth companies in sectors like tech, AI, and green energy. These stocks are ideal for investors with a higher risk tolerance who aim to make $1,500 per week by buying low and selling high, or by capitalizing on momentum and market demand. 3. Safe stocks for $1,500 weekly. Passive income for those who prioritize safety and reliability. This strategy focuses on defensive stocks with low volatility and consistent returns. These companies operate in essential sectors like consumer staples, utilities, and healthcare, making them less sensitive to market swings. We'll show you which safe stocks offer the best balance of income and stability, helping you reach $1,500 in weekly passive income while preserving your capital and avoiding unnecessary risk. 4. Best tech stocks to make $1,500 weekly. In 2025, tech stocks continue to dominate markets, driven by innovation in AI, cloud computing, and software. If you're looking to earn $1,500 per week in 2025, investing in cutting-edge tech companies with high growth potential might be your best bet. This guide covers the top tech stocks to watch, their projected earnings, and how to strategically allocate your portfolio to capitalize on this rapidly evolving sector. 5. Build a $1,500 per week income portfolio with blue chips. Blue chip stocks are known for their financial strength, resilience, and long-term reliability. These are industry-leading companies with stable earnings, strong brand recognition, and regular dividends. We'll break down how to structure a diversified blue-chip portfolio aimed at generating $1,500 per week in income. Whether you're focused on growth, income, or both, this plan blends safety with solid returns. 6. Weekly payout winners. Stocks that pay. Some companies pay dividends monthly or quarterly, but a few offer distributions frequent enough to create weekly income with the right mix. In this guide, we spotlight stocks and funds that pay investors regularly, making them ideal for generating reliable weekly cash flow. We also include real estate trusts and income-focused ETFs that can help fill in the gaps, offering a stable income stream for your financial goals. 7. $1,500 per week strategy. Strongest ROI stocks. Return on investment, ROI, is a key metric for any investor aiming for high income. This section dives deep into stocks with the best ROI performance over the past year, and those projected to outperform moving forward. Whether through capital gains or dividends, these picks are optimized to help you build a strategy that nets $1,500 per week, all backed by strong fundamentals and real performance data. 8. Top rights to make $1,500 weekly without property. Don't want to deal with tenants, repairs, or property taxes? Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a way to invest in real estate without owning physical property. We'll show you which REITs offer the highest yield, best track records, and solid fundamentals. With the right amount invested, these REITs can provide steady weekly returns, offering a passive way to make $1,500 per week while benefiting from the real estate market's long-term growth. 9. Best utility stocks for $1,500 weekly returns. Utilities are essential services, electricity, water, and natural gas, which makes them stable investments even during economic downturns. These companies often pay steady dividends and show low volatility. In this section, we'll reveal which utility stocks offer the best returns and how to structure your utility portfolio to earn $1,500 per week in predictable income, especially if you're looking for long-term reliability. 10. Mix growth and dividends for $1,500 per week portfolio. Why choose between growth and income when you can have both? This hybrid strategy combines dividend-paying stocks with high-growth assets to create a well-balanced, high-performing portfolio. By blending these two approaches, you can build a weekly income stream of $1,500 while also capturing upside from market gains. We'll provide sample portfolios, stock names, and investment tips to help you strike the perfect balance for sustainable returns. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching. Please check out the links in the description.